exhausted, but Lieutenant Commander Efren Duran could still afford to smile. After 5 months of the daunting task of keeping watch on Escoda Shoal, it's only now that he can have a proper meal and sleep. He recounts life at sea aboard the BRP Teresa Magbanua. They were 63 personnel in total, assigned to monitor activities in Sabina or Escoda Shoal since April. Duran saw everything 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, including that time a China Coast Guard vessel rammed the BRP Teresa Magbanua multiple times on a Saturday, August 31st. Before and after that incident, tension was thick around disputed waters, with Chinese ships watching their every move. Aside from that, provisions were running out. Food and water became harder to come by the longer they anchored, with Beijing blocking resupply missions in Escoda. The result, many from the crew became dehydrated. But ingenuity is a skill every PCG personnel has learned. When their only desalinator that converts salt water to drinking water did not work, they resorted to drinking rainwater or water coming out of their air conditioning unit.
So para siyang distilled water kasi parang moist siya, dadaan siya sa filter. Dahil doon sa moist na yon at nag-create kami ng tubig is nakaka-produce kami ng tubig ng siguro mga 4 na bote na pang-inom sa loob ng 24 hours.
When the vessel returned to port in Palawan on Sunday, at least 2 personnel had to be carried out on stretchers. Others had complained of stomach pain and arthritis. Still, knowing what they know now about how high the stakes are for the Philippines, the PCG is getting ready for another long mission at sea. It has bought more desalinators and the BRP Teresa Magbanua will be refurbished.
Pag binigyan ako ng order na mag-deploy ulit, darga kami ulit, sir.
For now, Lieutenant Commander Efren Duran and his troop will take a well-deserved rest, but not for long. Despite their ordeal, PCG personnel are willing to secure Escoda Shoal one more time, even if it means facing their aggressors all over again.
Proud kami, sir, na kahit mag-isa lang kami doon. Kasi hindi naman namin sila pinoprovoke. So, nagtatrabaho lang kami doon. Walang mga aggression kaming ginawa sa kanila.
Aboard the BRP Teresa Magbanua in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. For News 5, I'm Brian Basa, and we are One News.